Alright, welcome to Auto Shop Vlog number 5. Today we're going to be working on two main things. The Chevy steering column, again. And also we're going to be servicing that green Chevy. I believe it was a Chevy. It's a 99 Chevy, 2500. We're going to be servicing that and then trying to finish the steering column, as well as some odds and ends around the shop. So that's what's happening. Stay tuned to keep you updated. Here we go. Just wanted to give a quick update as to what is going on with the steering column replacement on the Chevy truck. Some of you guys are following that. Wish more were, but oh well. This is the ignition. Has a gear, goes to where the key is, and such. And I had to take this apart or put the old one in because the one I got from the green truck wasn't working. So I swapped them out, and these little prongs here, I forgot to make sure I knew exactly where everything went. I put everything back together, connected the negative or the battery back up, and I hear a frying sound and smoke everywhere, and I fried a wire. Let me see if I can show you guys the wire that I froze, burnt. The wire I fried. Let's take a look at it. Let's see, is it this one? Where's the other cable? It's the other cable. It's this cable right here. As you can see, you see a bunch of fried material. Anyway, yeah, you can see the old wire right there. Anyway, that's what happened, and now I have another truck, another green truck, the one I did the power steering pump. Have that pulled up as a reference, and I'm going to make sure I put the wires back in the exact same spot. So that's a little update. I'll let you know as things progress. All right, another quick update here. Basically what's happening is it fried again, and I'm just going to leave it for my boss because it's past my level of expertise. Wiring is not my thing. So yes, I'm giving up. So once he figures it out, I'll give an update on how things worked, what happened, why mine broke and his didn't. I'll just let you guys know. Hopefully next week sometime that'll come up in an update. So we're going to set that aside. Poor maintenance truck. It's going to sit there for a while, but now we're going to do some servicing. So same vehicle I did power steering pump in. We're going to do an oil change, check all the fluids, check grease everything, and all that jazz. So she's good to go for a good while. Here we go. spent a couple days working, not much cleaning, so it's time for that. Here we go. That's going to conclude our video for today. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more about the steering column. I'm done working on it for now. Hopefully my boss can figure it out, because the electrical stuff is something I'm not that comfortable with. So stay tuned for that. Also stay tuned for some more projects. We still have to work on the steering column of the mid-90s F250 diesel. So that's on the docket for maybe next week. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and get updates on future builds, future videos. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.